Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to use voice mode in Claude AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you're signed into your Claude account. Once you're logged in, open a new chat. Now, look near the chat input area and find the voice icon. Click on it, and you can begin speaking. Claude will listen to your voice and automatically convert your speech into a text prompt. After your message is processed, Claude can also respond back with a voice reply, making the conversation feel more interactive. There is also another way to use voice mode if you have Claude installed on your desktop. Open the Claude desktop app and go to Settings. Inside Settings, open the General section. Here you'll find an option called Speak to Claude from anywhere on your desktop. You can assign a keyboard shortcut for it. Choose any shortcut you prefer. Once the shortcut is set, you can press it anytime while using your computer, and Claude will instantly open voice input mode. And that's it! So that's basically how you can use voice mode in Claude AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!